My lovely child. One thing that happens when you are not feeling appreciated is that you shut yourself down to survive. And it is a reflect we learn in life, but the one that stops us from growing into the person we have always meant to become. Your capabilities are enormous. Your potential is way more than what others imagine. Appreciate yourself and leave places where you don't feel appreciated in order to feel your true purpose of life. And become the best version of yourself you have always destined to be. Type yes if you agree with this.